Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kingsley Ngoy. I would like to present my data science project, Social Rats Forecasting in Lead Data Science Uncut Bootcamp 3.0. Nowadays, internet, social media, and other digital communications technologies have become part of everyday life for billions of people around the world. So it is crucial for organizations to have marketing plan, strategies, and tactics, which is very important to determine which social ads platform and other factors affecting the decisions on amount spent to generate best revenue. So the problem statement for this project is which social advertisement platform spent will obtain highest revenue and which factors will have the great impact on the social advertisement platform for the revenue generated. And it same goes to objectives because we need to forecast revenue in thousands USD dollar generated based on budget spent on different social ads platform. And to further analyze the factor, for example, each platform's market size and type of the market that affect the revenue amount gain. The framework I'm using in this project is the Awesome framework. So first I have to obtain the data from the GitHub of the lead.io and then scrub the data by converting the market size into binary numbers, for example, small into 0 and large into 1, and then perform market area transformation into categorical columns, for example, area into rural, suburban, and urban. It's very lucky that this dataset doesn't have any missing value, so we no need to do any missing value handling or imputation. Next, I will perform the exploratory data analysis. First, I will use a regression plot analysis. From the picture, we can see that Google and Facebook have the linear relationship with the between the unit sales and sales price, but the Instagram does not seem have any linear relationship between the unit sold and sales price. Next, I will perform box plot analysis. For both factors, we can we have we can see that the median sales are quite similar, and the mean sales density not normally distributed, and the more dense volume around 11K to 13.5K. Therefore, I will need to further perform other analysis by using bar plot. We can see the sales difference for both factors are not very much, around 1K units, but we still can see that if we focus on the large market size and urban area, there will be higher sales gain too. Then I will perform feature coefficient analysis. From the table, we can see that urban and Facebook have the highest coefficient value. But after the calculations by using the formula, using the fixed amount of unit price for each of the social ads, the sales price not much different, even though Facebook has far higher coefficient value. Then I need to perform further analysis for the interpretations. From the data obtained in the EDA, we can make assumption that from the regression plot, Google is more predictable because the linear relationship has the highest. And then from the box plot and bar plot, we can say that higher sales volume will be at Facebook, larger market size, and urban area. For the coefficient value, we can't get any insight from here because the sales price difference is not much with a certain fixed amount of unit price. The model I'm using for this project is linear regression because the data show continuous and regression behavior, and the model R-square score is around 0.8982. That means the model is quite precise to the data set, and the independent variables are highly related to dependent variable. Here is the findings from the model predictions. By giving 100K budget to spend wisely on different social ads to maximize the revenue, we can make different budget allocation amount on different social ads with different market size area respectively. Firstly, from the prediction and large market size and urban area, by allocating budget fully and Facebook have the highest revenue generated. But allocating budget almost equally on different social ads has the lowest revenue generated. From the model prediction for urban area, by allocating budget at large market size is obviously have the higher revenue generated compared to the small market size. Next, we can see from this table by comparing the amount allocation of budgets on Facebook and Instagram. For larger market size and each of area section, we can see that budget lesser in Facebook and higher in Instagram, about 16 million less in revenue generated consistently. For model predictions for area cases, we can see it is quite obvious a significant highest revenue generated in urban area compared to the others too. So the conclusions is we can allocate largest budget around 85% to 95% on Facebook, large market size and urban area. For the Google, we just allocate around 4 to 15%, and then at last for Instagram, we just allocate 1 to 5%. This is because Instagram, if we allocate quite more on it and less on Facebook, we will have a very significant consistent value, about 60 million lesser than the others. So, but it still generate revenue, right? So from the marketing perspective, it's better to avoid putting all investment into only one platform. That's why we will put some on other platforms which is still generating revenues. That's all. Thank you.